Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Bear, and welcome to our course this semester. As a reminder, make sure you take a look at all of the tools that have been provided in this opening introductory module to make sure that you are prepared for the course and understand what the expectations are moving forward. Before we get started, I did just want to introduce myself to everybody here so you all have an idea of who is instructing this course. I am originally from Chicago, Illinois. I grew up in the suburbs around Chicago, spent pretty much my entire life there, getting my bachelor's degree from North Central College in 2014. North Central College, a very small school in the suburbs of Chicago. It's about 2,500 students. While I was there, I played football for 1 year before getting my fifth concussion and deciding it was probably time to stop doing that. At that point, I decided to start coaching wrestling and to begin working in sales. I started selling appliances to help put me through school. At the end of my Bachelor's of Arts degree, I decided that what I really, really loved was sport and sales and wanted to find a way to put the two of them together. So I decided to pursue a master's degree in sport management from Northern Illinois University in DeKalb, Illinois. That's a school that's a pretty similar size to what we have here at Southeastern. While I was at Northern Illinois, I became the graduate research assistant for the department in sport management, and I also began selling minor league baseball tickets. In addition to doing all of that while I was at Northern Illinois, I also crossed paths with Dr. Claire Zavosik. She was in her second year at Northern Illinois when I was in my first, and she worked as my academic advisor. Before the start of my second year, she took a job as an assistant professor at Louisiana State University and immediately began recruiting me to follow her down there as her first PhD student. So following the completion of my master's degree at Northern Illinois, I decided to pursue a PhD in sport management from LSU, and I graduated in 2023 with that degree in sport management. Most of my research is centered on sport employees, particularly sport employee well-being. So my doctoral dissertation was on the concept of meaningful work, essentially asking the question, why do sport employees do what they do? And so because of that, I actually have, I think, a pretty good idea of what it means to be an employee in the sport industry, which, if many of you are in this class, is probably what you want to do with your life. It's probably why you are here. So I look forward to getting to know all of you and working with you on your various aspirations as you move throughout our course. And I'm excited to have you all here. Thank you.